So what we are doing now is washing out this tank. We're going to install 3 tanks. We have 2 down already. That one over the far end there, we're going to remove it because it burst. So these are 1,000 gallon water tank. But this one we have to wash it out because actually rat crawl up in it and go mess in it. So we have to wash it out. Huh? Yeah, we're always working. We're always working. You! So folks, we took out this tank because as I said it was burst. And we put in this one. So see it? We have to cut it off right there. So we put in this one and we're going ready to pipe them up now. So it's 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. We're going to pipe them up now. So we install the outlet. We're just ready to do the pipe work, you know. So folks, we'll fit it up now, you know. This is the first one there. We're going to put a lock off in the middle there. We're not going to lock off today, so we're going to deal with it, you know. The thing has to go on. The project has to go on. So, fit that one already. Okay, now get the key and that and now down the up. Alright, that's it.
I mean, no around.
I'll get the tin on this. That's so. So the thing said. This is it. Yeah, man. Finish. Thanks to the plumber, see me?
No worry me. Right, my bill, give me brother. I'm going to get this sign.
Shady, if I get dollar. Big work we go on with people, see it? I miss bench we give you a pipe down that you know behind the pig pen so you can get your water, but I don't want to put them use it though. So hide from them.
Yeah. You know good yet? No. Come in and get your feet. No.
Yes, peep. So this is it. I make this dry now. Keep on 10 minutes and I'll put some water in it. Yeah, man. Put piece of thing on it.
I'll tell you something before the water go like them. Then you feel reinforce. Because when water come and run through like that pressure.
Yeah. Get it.
Yeah,
some half a black. Yes, Shady. We get some half a black put on them. Because we don't want. If you have an argument to the plumber, you know.
Neat, man.
Yeah, man, it neat, bad.
Yeah, put piece on me go.
Yeah, put piece on that way, it's tea there. See tea there, you're gone, man. See piece there, so. Put piece on there, so.
Yes.
Right up on the way, and that tea. Put one on that belly where join there. Right where join there.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, sir.
Yeah. Tappy night, Shady, tappy night. Night I come. Send catch me down on a place, station on a backyard. Tappy night. Look woman the body man.
A woman?
Hey, me. Tappy night, me say night I come a woman.
A man?
Me say a woman.
Me say a king in pa.
Alright.
You don't talk, you never know somebody.
Me don't see somebody. A woman. A blood clot woman is you're spending a whole of your money and lose.
Alright, yo, where you say?
Me say night I come, tappy night.
Yo, what you do? Cup and blood shot, TikTok and type in king in pack and see how it come out. How have you
Alright man, everything good. Like when I see a woman in person.
Which part? In person? Which part?
You know worry yourself about that. You know worry yourself about that.
Nothing. Nothing you can't tell me if you believe.
Tappy night, Shady. Say night I come. Look like a tanker leak up the Shady. We're big plumber.
I don't think you can see a drum. Let me look at it.
Like water to me. Like water to me, man.
So they go look here. Come frighten your fuck.
Like water. Come on, touch the pipe, good man. Cause I know what touch on pants aside there.
Come on, don't worry about it.
I say you're a big plumber.
Remember free water
Eh?
this guy, you know?
Like a water tell you, man. Put your night good.
I can't tell you, man, the phone.
Hey.
Fool me too.
Hey.
Nobody can come use that and trick me again. I didn't trick me before.
See.
Can't left this and this.
Could I seriously have water, you know? Tanker leak. Where big plumber same fix.
Yeah, man.
We take back all that money we pay him, brother. So alright people, so we come to the end of this video. And it was a success. Yeah man. Yeah, so we are actually use the hose now. This hose to full the tanks. So we're going to full them up. So soon and very soon water should go over from this tank into that one and then into the third one at the back. Yeah. So the birds them there. Panting as hell. We're going to turn on the fan and them now to cool them down.